Hello everyone, thank you for watching my previous video lessons, and in this video let me discuss how to solve the simultaneous equations when you have the rational coefficients. I mean the coefficient of x and y in equation 1 and 2 are fraction, yeah, 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 4, 1 over 7. In this case, I have to make the coefficients of x and y is a whole number. Then it's easy to proceed. Let's start. Look at the denominators first in equation 1. I have here 2, there 3, here 5. If all the denominators are prime numbers, you need to multiply together. 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, 30. Right? And then each term can be multiplied by 30. Let me write here. Better I can. Let me write over there. Like 30 times 1 over 2x plus 30 times 2 over 3 times y equal. Here I can make the improper fraction. 6 times 5, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. 31 over 5. Fine. Let me going to find the simplest form of 30 and 2. How many 2's in 30? 15. How many 3's in 30? 10. How many 5's in 30? 6. What I have on the top, I mean in the numerator place, you can multiply 15 times 1. 15x plus 10 times 2, 20y equal. If you multiply 31 times 6, you can get 186. Same thing I'm going to do here. What about equation 2 here? Let me highlight. This is my new equation 3. And then here the denominator is 4, here 7, here 5. 7 and 5 are prime numbers, 4 is not prime numbers, even though if you have two prime numbers and there is one more composite number, you have to multiply together. Even if you are going to find the LCM, you will get the same. See, 4, 7, 5. If you find LCM, let's start by prime number 2. 2 times 2, 4, 7, 5. Again, you can stop the process because 2, 7, 5 are prime numbers. You can stop. What about the LCM here? You have to multiply 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 7, 28. 28 times 5 is 28 times 5. Am I right? It will be 140. So in this case, even if you have two prime numbers along with one composite number, multiply all the numbers together, I mean 4 times 7 times 5, you will get 140. Then multiply the each term by 140. Let me write down 140 times 3 over 5 times x minus 140 times 1 over 7 times y equal. Here I can make the improper fraction. 140 times 13 times 5, 65. 65 plus 3, 68 over 5. Let's simplify. How many 4's in 140? 35. How many 7's in 140? 20. How many 5's in 140. How many fives here? 28. Then what's left on the top? You can multiply 35 times 3. 105 x minus 20 times y equal 1904. If you multiply 28 with 68, this is my new equation 4. And then now I'm going to solve equation 3 and 4. The reason I have 15x plus 20y equal 186. On the other hand, 105x minus 20y equal 1904. Now, here I have the like terms with different sign. I can simplify like this. If you add, you can get 120x equal 2090. What about x? X equal 2090 over 120. Fine. Yeah. Here also you can simplify. You can cancel the zeros. I have 209 over 12. This is my x value. Just a minute. Let me divide the board. Okay. What about the x value here? X equal 209 over 12. I needed to find the value of y. You can select any one of the equation 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Better, I can prefer equation 3. This is my new equation 3 and that is 4. Any equation you can select, but where you are comfortable, better to select that one. So let me write here 15x plus 20y equal 186. What about here? So 15 times 209 over 12 plus 20y equal 186. Then you can simplify here. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. What you can get? 5 times 209. 209 times 5 is 1000. Let me write down here. 1045 over 4 plus 20y equal 186. And then let me shift on other side. It's so longer this problem. So what should we do? We have to solve. When I shift there, it will be 1045 over 4. After that, just assume that there is a denominator 1. Better you can do the cross multiplication. 20y equal, if you do the cross multiplication, what can you get? 186 times 4 equals 744 minus 1045 over 4. When you do the cross multiplication, just multiply 4 times 186 and then 1 time 1045. Finally, multiply 1 multiplied 4 is 4. If you subtract 1045 minus 744, what can you get? 301. 301 over 4. Here 1045 is big number, biggest number. So let me place minus sign. 20y equal this. What about y? Y equal minus 301 over, see, as I said you before, 20y mean 20 times y. When you shift 20 on other side, 20 can be multiplied with 4, right? 4 times 20 is 80. The x value, what about my x value here? Let me move on here. X is 209 over 12 and y equal minus 301 over 80, right? Now it's your turn. You can verify whether I've committed any error anywhere. And then you just text me in the comment box. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.